Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to assemble Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Before assembling Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, let's take a look at some prerequisites required for this process. And they are ESD plastic tweezers, disassembly stick, battery detaching sheet, screwdriver, anti-static gloves, anti-static mat, window pressing jig, window pressing pad, torque wrench. For force, 1 Newton. To begin, assemble PBA on the bracket using battery detaching sheet. Tighten 2 screws on the PBA. Assemble the bracket on the rear case. Attach the gasket side tape on the octa. Tighten 18 screws on the bracket. Attach the window tape. Gently press window tape using disassembly stick. Remove protection vinyl. Connect the LCD connector on the PBA. Assemble the LCD cover on the bracket. Assemble octa on the bracket. Put device into the pressing pad and press the window pressing trick with force 1 Newton for 1 minute. Please note, be aware of latest updates. For this, log into GSPN, go to Knowledge and then go to HHP Service. Thereafter, go to Notice, where you will get latest updates on assembly and disassembly. Now, release the handle and take out the device from window pressing jig. Assemble the SIM or SD card socket. At last, do the final inspection. So this is how you can assemble Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.